Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about the indefinite integration. Here we today study about some loving integrations in which integrating functions first of all to solve and after that apply the integration formula. Now as you know that d by dx tan x, the differentiation of this is sec square x, d by dx cot x, that is minus cosec square x, d by dx sec x equal to sec x tan x, d by dx cosec x equal to minus cosec x cot x. Now reverse of this formula, integration of sec square x, integration of sec square x dx, integration of sec square x dx equal to tan x plus c, integration of cosec square x, integration of cosec square x dx, that is equal to minus cot x plus c, integration of sec x tan x, sec x tan x, integration of sec x tan x is sec x plus c, integration of cosec x cot x, cosec x cot x equal to minus cosec x plus c here. Now as it can be written as integration of sec square ax plus b dx. This can be also written as tan ax plus b divided by a plus c. Now integration of cosec square ax plus b dx, this is equal to minus cot ax plus b divided by a plus c. Now we take some example here. Now here example 31, integration of sec square x by 2 minus 1 by 5 dx. Solution 31, integration of sec square x by 2 minus 1 by 5 dx. Now we know that sec square ax plus b dx equal to tan ax plus integration of this is equal to tan ax plus b divided by a, so that this is integration of this is equal to tan ax plus b x by 2 minus 1 by 5 divided by a. Here a is the coefficient of x, so that divided by 1 by 2 plus c. This is answer here. Tan x by 2 minus 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 2 here. That is a answer. Now solution. Question 32 dx by sin square 3x minus a. 32 integration of dx divided by sin square 3x minus a. Now this can be written as 1 by sin x equal to cosec x, because sin x and cosec x are reciprocal to each other, so that this can be written as integration of cosec square 3x minus a dx. And now as we know that differentiation of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x, so that integration of cosec square x is equal to minus cot x. Here this is equal to, on the basis of this, minus cot 3x minus a divided by a is the product of x, so that here product of x is 3 divided by 3 plus c integrating constant c here. This is our answer. Now question number 33 here. Now here question number 33. Integration of 1 minus cos 2x divided by 1 plus cos 2x dx. Now we solve it. As you know that cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x. If you put, as you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, so that this is equal to, we put the sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta, so that 2 cos square x minus 1, and this can also be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x here. Now 1 minus cos 2x, 1, this comes here, 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x, 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x, and 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x. Now putting these two in this case, integration of 1 minus cos 2x 2 sin square x divided by this is equal to 2 cos square x dx. 2 cos square x dx. Now here 2 cancel. This is equal to integration of tan square sin square theta by cos square theta tan square theta tan square x dx. Tan square x dx. And now 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. This is also formula, and on the basis of this, tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1, so that tan square x equal to, we can write sec square x minus 1 dx. Now differentiation of tan x equal to sec square x, so that integration of sec square x equal to tan x, so that this can be written as integration of sec square x dx minus integration of 1 dx. This is equal to tan x minus x plus c. This is answer here. Tan x minus x plus c. Now we take another example 34 here. The integration of dx by 1 plus cos x. Now we 1 plus cos x, this is equal to, just like this, 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x, so that 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2. This can be written as integration of 1 by 2 cos square x by 2 dx. And this can be written as integration of 1 by 2 comes here, 1 by cos x equal to sec x. This can be written as sec square x by 2 dx. And as you know that integration of sec square ax plus b dx equal to tan x tan ax plus b divided by a plus c. Apply this here. 1 by 2 sec square, so that tan ax plus b tan x by 2 and divided by a product of this divided by 1 by 2 plus c here, so that integration of this half tan x by 2 divided by half plus c, this is answer. This will be answer here. Now we see question number 35. Now question number 35 here. Integration of cos 2x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x dx. Here integration of cos 2x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x dx. Now integration of cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x, and this is also written as 2 sin square x divided by cos square x dx. 2 sin square x and 2 sin square x cancel, and this is only integration of 1 by cos square x dx. This can be written as integration of sec square x dx, and as we know that differentiation of tan x equal to sec square x, so that integration of sec square x equal to tan x plus c. C is integrating constant here. Now tan x plus c, and next question number 36. Integration of tan square x into sin square x dx. Here, first of all, we simplify this for apply the integrating formula. Here, this can be written as sin square x by cos square x into sin square x dx. And this can be written as sin square x cos 2x equal to one minus two sin square x. This is also equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, and here we apply 1 minus, in this case we apply 1 minus cos 2x equal to integration of this sin square x by cos square x. Sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x, 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2, because this comes here 2 sin square x, 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. and now we multiply this. In this case, sin square x by cos square x 1 by 2, so that 1 by 2 here, this is a tan square x, integration of this dx minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, this can be written as now here question number 36, tan square x into sin square x dx, tan square x into sin square x dx, tan square x can be written as sin square x by cos square x, and sin square x written as 1 minus cos square x. We convert this into cos because cos square and cos square cancel, so that sin square by cos square, that is a tan square, this comes tan square x, and multiply this. This is a minus cos square cancels, sin square x dx. Now, as you know that 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, so that tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1, so that tan square x replaced by sec square x minus 1. Now this is a minus here, and this can be converted to sin square x. Sin square x comes here, 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2, 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 dx. Now integration of sec square x equal to tan x, because differentiation of tan x equal to sec square x, so that integration of sec square x dx equal to tan x, and minus 1, this minus half, that is a minus 3 by 2, and 1 dx equal to x, and this minus and minus plus here, 1 by 2, integration of cos 2x is equal to sin 2x, and divided by a, that is 2 comes here, so that plus c is the integrating constant. Now in the similar sense, here integration of cos square x into cot square x into cos square x, and this can be written as cot square x minus cos square x. Cot square x, as you know that 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. As you know that, so that cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. So cot square x replaced by the cosec square x minus 1, and this minus, and cos square x, here cos square x, 1 comes here, 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 here, and now in this case integration of cosec square x, integration of cosec square x, as you know that differentiation of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x, integration of minus cot x, and this is minus half and 1 minus 3 by 2, so that this can be written as 3 by 2x, and this is minus, so that minus cos 2x, integration of cos 2x, that is equal to sin 2x here, sin 2x, and 2 already here, and divided by a, and this is the product of 2 plus c, where C is the integrating constant here. Now integration of this is equal to minus cot x minus 3 by 2x and minus sin 2x divided by 4 plus C here. Now this is our answer. Now question number 38 here. Integration of cos x divided by sin square x dx. Now we arrange this integration of cos x divided by sin x into 1 by sin x dx. Add cos theta by sin theta, that is a cot theta, so that integration of cot x and 1 by sin, that is equal to cosec x dx. And as we know that differentiation of cosec x equal to minus cot x cosec x, so that integration of cot x cosec x is equal to minus cosec x plus C. Here this is equal to minus cosec x plus C. Now question number 39. Sec theta divided by integration of sec theta divided by tan square theta d theta. This can be written as sec theta 1 by cos theta, and tan square theta can be written as sin square theta divided by cos square theta, integration of this into d theta. Now this comes here, integration of one by cos theta and cos theta by cos square theta by sin square theta d theta. Now cos theta and cos theta cancel, so that cos theta and cos theta one cancel, either cos theta divided by sin square theta cos theta by sin theta into 1 by sin theta d theta. This can be written as cos by sin theta, this is cot theta, and this is a cosec theta d theta. As you know that differentiation of cosec theta equal to minus cot cosec theta equal to minus cot theta cosec theta, so that integration of this is equal to minus cosec x cosec theta plus C with negative sign. This is our answer here. Now we take another example, 40. Integration of cos 2x divided by sin square x cos square x dx. This can be written as cos square x minus cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x divided by sin square x cos square x integration of this, and this is after separating cos square theta and cancel cos square theta 1 by sin square theta minus 1 by cos square theta 1 by sin square theta cosec square theta and minus sec square theta. Sec, this is a x, so that this is x and this is also x dx integration of this. Now cosec square theta x integration of this cot x, differentiation of cot x minus cosec square x and cosec x minus here cot x, so that minus cot x and minus this is a tan x plus c here. As you know that differentiation of tan x is equal to sec square x, so that integration of sec square x, that is tan x plus c. Now like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.